Hi Dragons, what's up? It's Nikita. Welcome back to my channel. You guys probably aren't really paying attention to me, but I just wanted to introduce you to my boyfriend for the day. So this is Michael. I found him on Craigslist.
Not supposed to say.
I know, right? DMs, Craigslist. We actually linked on each other via WoW, World of Warcraft, like Venmo. Anyway, so pretty much I wanted to hire a boyfriend today because I feel like, you know what? Boys are just a little crazy. Like, you know, sometimes they're like literally crazy. Sometimes they're psychopaths. Sometimes they're narcissistic. Sometimes they're a little like wild. So like, you know, in this new day and age, like, why don't you just hire a boyfriend? I mean, I feel like at this point, like all relationships are kind of a little bit fake.
Yeah, I feel like it definitely.
Yeah, right? People will just like pose for the likes and just like do the most. So, I mean, I've been in a couple fake relationships once or 3 times. So like, what's like another time? And so we'll give a little backstory on Miss Michael over here.
Yeah.
Tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
Southern guy, you know, from Knoxville, Tennessee.
Wait, do people go, you're the only 10 I see?
I've heard that one a few times.
Wait, do they say
I've
to you?
used it a few times before.
You've used it?
I'm not a whiskey guy either. I really don't even like country music. So
Are you even old enough to drink? Both of us have fake IDs. We're like,
yeah. So I moved to LA for real estate. I moved here like 2.5 years ago. I've got some family that do it here on the West Coast. And then I did a showing to a men's modeling agent, got picked up there, got into some reality TV, started doing some acting and stuff. So it's been a fun road.
So just like the typical like actor from a small town.
Right.
I feel like we're all here. We don't really actually work.
Working on projects.
Yeah, I have a future project coming. Like, you guys just wait on it. Okay, no, we're all playing fun and games, but we just wanted to show like the behind the scenes of what all is gonna go down today. As a hired boyfriend, here are your jobs.
Okay, you tell me.
No complaining. If we argue, you have to let me win today. You have to hold literally anything I hand you. You have to always tell me I look pretty.
That won't be a problem.
We'll start right now.
You're beautiful.
Oh my God. So genuine. And then what else should we add to the list? Taking all my pictures.
Of course.
You have to look cute at all times. All right guys, so we'll be running around doing the absolute most. We're gonna try on maybe like a Halloween costume, give a slight fantasy, and run around and go shopping. I don't know what else. I mean, he's really expensive, so I don't know what I can actually technically afford here, but hopefully I can pay for some of it, like an influencer, like very like follow for follow, shout out for shout out.
Work something out.
Yeah, something very like LA style.
Yeah.
I'll leave his like links down below. Probably not, because you guys shouldn't follow him. Like not even.
I'm a Craigslist boyfriend, guy.
If you guys would like to hire Michael as well, I'll leave his @ down below so you can go and slide into his DMs. Do you answer your DMs?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If they're this type of gig, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Very this. He has to pay his rent somehow. Okay, well, we have to go because minute by minute I'm getting charged, so we need to get this moving. Wait, boyfriends are called what? What are we like doing names today? Babe? Hun?
Doll?
Baby?
Sweetie? Baby?
Sweetie? Gorgeous?
Yeah.
Boo? Oh, boo. Bae?
Bae.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna go. Okay, bye. I literally said Bodak Yellow Moment and you're gonna play something else, babe?
Sorry.
I literally thought you were the DJ today.
Does this work for you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This is a red light. Wait, okay,
This
Liv.
is LA.
I'm a boss to a
Worker, bitch.
I make bloody moves.
We have to park at the valet.
There's Valley over here.
Wait, there is?
I thought there is. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. Are we gonna fight again about this? Wait, there's really valet on the side?
Yeah.
So there's not valet.
I guess not right here.
So I guess there's not valet, and I guess I was right. Are you gonna cheat on me?
Not planning on it. Not until the day is over.
At the Grove with Bay, and we're gonna do all the boyfriend-girlfriend shopping. He's gonna pay for everything.
With your card.
Welcome to Sephora, where I'm gonna make my man pick out my makeup. Just kidding. That's a different video, different time. What's that, sir? Lily lashes are all gone. I can't even use my discount code Dragon. Are you kidding me? What the F? Maybe like some of these. You know what? I hate it. That was like so like 3 seconds ago. I hate that. me an outfit and I'll pick him an outfit. We made it inside a Topshop, and now I think it'd be so cute if I pick an outfit for him and he tries to pick an outfit for me. I think it's possible. I think we can like pick a cute moment. Any good Instagram couple would like know each other. Good style. Okay, let's try. So cute. You're not even an extra small.
No way.
I have to pay extra for the fabric that's gonna fit on your body. Large?
Huh?
Large?
Yeah.
Don't even know my size? You can't. All this stuff that I'm having to hold. Oh my god.
Tie me up.
Sir. Every time them so much. Yeah.
Well, then let's switch it up.
Okay,
let's go
let's switch it
downstairs
up.
and see what we can find.
Okay. Not even this you're feeling for me? Shopping is so tiring.
Exhausting.
Starving. Want a Big Mac? Large French fry? Sweet and mixed large.
I think that would look great. Your coat?
Good?
Very good.
Good. You think this is my style?
Who's not?
Sir. This is very neat.
Is it? It's like a pilgrim shirt.
Pilgrim?
That's what it's for?
Just like see-through. It must be half naked, it's fine, whatever. That's what I'm known for anyways, it's fine. Okay, so the first important part is getting the snap right. Like if we're not doing it for the gram, are we even doing it at all?
Definitely not.
At all. Like the pose is key. Do you have any experience with this? Ever done this?
Oh, a couple poses?
Yeah.
So you want me behind you? Like?
Yeah. That's it. Very take me home to your mom.
Yeah?
Very that.
What we're going for, right?
I feel like the vibe today is very like living the best life but like on the edge.
That's good.
That's the mood. Okay, so now we have our Halloween outfits. Now that we've taken our little snap moment, we have to change into our Halloween looks to really give you very like holiday day. Holidays are very important in couples' lives. I feel like that's the most like, yeah, that's the best part of the year. That's like Santa moment, that's like Jewish holiday, even like a Kwanzaa, even like a quinceañera.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, like a legit moment. Matching, always. So we have a little outfit that we're gonna change into.
Let's do it.
Hopefully it fits. Okay, so this is the outfit for today. We're giving very like G.I. Joe and G.I. Ho moment. Hopefully these actually fit. When I hired on Craigslist, I mean, I knew he was like a 6'2" moment, but I felt like it could be like a Tinder Bumble 6'2", you know, like people say they're one way and then they like come in and it's like 5'5".
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye, see you in a second. Yeah, I feel like if the world came to an end, this would be my outfit. I feel like I outrank you.
You do.
Right, because you're from this side and you're from the other. Yeah. 4-star eagle. I work at the Pentagon. I'm a 4-star dragon, actually. We're gonna change it from eagle to dragon. But this outfit, bitch. Trick or treat? This is a trick and then this is your treat. Okay, so picture's done. We obviously are ready to drop it on the ground and make everyone feel very insignificant.
Right. There we go.
Can you even spell that?
INS. Oh, let's cut that.
Enough talking. Everyone, so wouldn't it be fit if we didn't get into army gear and deploy on the roof? So we're gonna get up there. Watch as my babe gets on top of the roof in a G.I. Joe fashion. Go ahead, babe.
Got it, baby.
Wow. Honestly, yes, I agree. This is how you climb to a roof, dragon style. You only need one hand. Very this. Something key for any influencer boyfriend is being able to take the right photo of his bae. So we're gonna try it.
You can do it.
Hopefully he's good at it. but like up a little. Oh my god, thanks, babe. You're so sweet. I'm honestly disappointed. How could you make me look this bad? He's making me look so bad, and I'm honestly fed up. I'm a professional bae photo taker. He doesn't even need to check them, they're already so good. You guys, it has been a very, very long day with Faye. I had the best time ever.
It's been a great time.
Possibly the best moments of my life.
Yeah.
I'm not just saying that. I don't say that on every date. I
Keep my Craigslist email.
Yeah.
I do, yeah.
We only communicate via email or like carrier pigeon sometimes. I did call the Uber pool.
Yeah,
so
okay,
it's
good.
here.
Oh, thank you.
So
Thanks,
we
I
might have to like wrap this up. How did you feel as Dragon Bae? Daddy Dragon. Ooh, okay.
Daddy Dragon.
That's a good one. How do you feel?
Yeah, I had a fun day, but it was fun. I think that the wings are growing and I might have to join the Dragon family.
We had lots of fun. We changed, we ran around, we took pictures, lots of pictures.
Lots of pictures.
He's better at taking pictures now, so if you're ever on like a dating site and you don't include that, you take amazing.
Mm-hmm. That's one of the staples now.
Yeah. Oh my god, I felt so cute being like a sugar mama today. I like paid for everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay, babe. It's 2018, almost 2019. I got it. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. A special thank you to Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Thanks for being
Of
bae
course.
for a
Thanks for having
day. Even though it was a lot of money, I'll write the check later. Anyways, you can check him out on his stuff at Michael. I never know how to say it.
Jaeger. I get
Wait, no, how do you say it?
Jaeger. Yeah. It's German. It's weird.
Yerk.
It means hunter.
Yerger. Michael Yerger. So his stuff will be down below. If you would like to order him, slide into his DMs.
Subscribe there. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment and let me know what I could have done better as a Craigslist boyfriend. See you in the next one.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to breathe fire, my dragon.